Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Majestic Tarot and Astrology. So today's reading is about this is a 3-month reading starting from the month of April till the month of June, and this is going to be a pick a pile reading. To see what is coming next in your life. So choose the pile which attracts you the most. Okay, so let's pull out the cards for the pile number 1, which is the clear quartz. So pile number 1, the first card that has come up for you is the Ace of Swords. So it looks like कि आप एक brand new fresh start कर रहे हैं अपनी personal life में. शायद अभी तक आप किसी person का wait कर रहे थे. That's what I sense. या आप किसी situation में hopeful थे कि maybe this situation will work out for you or this situation will work out in your favor. But I don't see that happening, and I see you moving on from that confusing situation or place in your life to being open to a fresh start in your life, and moving forward having a fresh start. Okay, this is basically representing a fresh start in your personal life. So this, for some people, this can also be the beginning of a new relationship. For others, you have just come out of a relationship. Yeah, I know this is two opposite things, but this is what I'm getting. So for others, this represents ki you have just come out of a relationship, and now you are looking forward to explore your options and just be by yourself for some time. Okay, that's the energy I'm picking up on. And you're going to be quite hopeful and positive, optimistic about your life starting from the April month. So for the month of May, I see you getting a little bit scared, like थोड़ा सा fearful energy है यहाँ पे. You are a little bit fearful of what may happen tomorrow. आगे क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. थोड़ा सा आप ओवर थिंकिंग कर सकते हैं, ओवर एनालाइजेशन कर सकते हैं, एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू जस्ट फिगर आउट. यू वॉन्ट, इट्स लाइक कि आप सारे आंसर्स अभी चाहते हैं कि आगे क्या होने वाला है, कैसे होने वाला है, कैसे नहीं होने वाला है. तो यू वॉन्ट ऑल द आंसर्स राइट नाउ, and but the universe is asking you to trust in the process and to let go of the need to control everything. Trust the God. Hierophant is here. It is asking you to trust the process and trust what the divine has planned for you, what the God has planned for you. Go along with the flow. Life will unwrap itself when the time is right for you. Okay. Mostly, I see the energy of being fearful and unable to trust what is going to happen next. So, try to find optimism in your life from whichever mode or ways you can. Okay, that is going to work out a lot for you. So by the month of the June, I see a abrupt ending for you. Okay, so अगर आपने कोई अप्रैल में रिलेशनशिप शुरू किया था तो that could be that it either did not lasted long, or what happened was कि आप उस रिलेशनशिप में स्टार्टिंग में तो काफ़ी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक और पॉजिटिव थे, बट नाउ यू फीलिंग स्टक इन दैट प्लेस. यू डोंट फील हैप्पी, और यू फील लाइक यू आर अनेबल टू एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ प्रॉपरली. आप अपने आप को प्रॉपरली एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, आप अपनी चीज़ें खुल के नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं. तो आप खुद को बहुत ज़्यादा फंसा हुआ और स्टक महसूस कर सकते हैं इन द मंथ ऑफ जून. बट द प्रॉब्लम is not as big as you are thinking, and for some people the case may be कि एक्चुअल में प्रॉब्लम्स उतनी है ही नहीं जितना आप मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स है ही नहीं शायद, क्योंकि आपने बस अपनी आंखों में पट्टी बांध ली और आपने अपने मन में ये इमेज बना ली है कि आप हर तरफ से फंस चुके हो, जबकि ऐसा नहीं है. आप ये पट्टी हटाओगे तो आप हर चीज़ कर सकते हो. आप यू हैव टू रिमूव दैट ब्लाइंड फोल्ड फ्रॉम योर आइज, because you are not stuck. You just are unable to see your way out of this situation in your life. Now this mostly I see this self implicated and self imposed mental situation, like it's not happening in your real life, but you are projecting this victim mentality onto yourself, and you are projecting this stuck mindset onto yourself. It's not happening in reality in your life, but you are projecting that somewhere from this I see stemming in from somewhere from your insecurities. Okay, that's a huge thing that I'm picking up here. So bottom of the deck is the Sun card. Overall, it is going to be a happy period for you. Okay, the 3 month period is going to teach you how to live joyfully, even amidst the times of stress or worries, whatever is happening in your life. Not to get much bothered by it, and to learn how to live happily, because once you do that, you will find your 9 of cups. You'll find your wish fulfillment. You are going to be quite happy within your relationship. See, maybe I think some of you are not able to voice out your opinions, and आप अपने पार्टनर से शायद वो चीज़ें नहीं कह पा रहे हैं जो आप कहना चाहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से आपको ये बहुत ज़्यादा स्टक फीलिंग आ रही है इस रिलेशनशिप में. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली दैट्स व्हाट आई सी. And for others who are going to be single through this time period, even if somebody is interested in you, it's like कि you don't want to participate much because you feel like कि लोग आपको शायद समझ नहीं सकते. uh, but what I see mostly is you are projecting that thing that people can't understand you, but people are willing to understand you as long as you are willing to communicate. So you just have to learn to communicate. That's what I see the barrier is here. Okay, overall I see a happy month for you guys. It's the 9 of cups energy, 2 of cups energy, everything is popping out, so mostly it is good for you. Okay, the 3 months are good for you. For your workplace, the first card that has come out is 8 of wands. uh, you are going to communicate, you are going to get some message or some offer, some opportunity in the very first week of April. Okay, and you are going to be quite happy about it. I see you're going to be quite excited, quite happy, energetic, ready to go and grab that opportunity. And 90% of you people, I see you grabbing that opportunity. मे बी शायद आप उस अपॉर्चुनिटी का काफ़ी टाइम से वेट कर रहे थे. यू विल गेट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. यू विल like there will be back and forth communication for that work. Okay, and you will finally get your sort of dream job that you have been waiting for quite a long time in the beginning of April. Okay, the second card that has come out is 2 of cups. So wherever you're working, be it a business or you're working as a freelancer job, you have some good company over there. If even if you are working in a partnership, then it's probably that this month is the month of May is going to be quite fruitful for your partnership business, because you both of you are going to see things through the same perspective, and you both are going to be aligned on the same decisions. Okay, and that is going to work out quite beautifully for you in your work situation. If you are not in a partnership business, तो कोई पर्सन है जो आपके वर्क प्लेस पे है, जो कि आपका एक बहुत अच्छा कंपेनियन बन चुका है, एंड यू ट्रस्ट दैट पर्सन अलॉट. दैट पर्सन trusts you as well, and there's a very good equal give and take relationship in terms of work at your workplace. Okay, so in the month of June there are going to be shift. Something is shifting because obviously that will be the last month where Jupiter is going to be in the sign of Gemini. So that's why I see this card popping out. So you, till now you were in this energy of Empress straight ahead, but in the month of June you're going to be in this energy of Empress reversed. So आप अपनी अथॉरिटी, अपनी पावर को एक्सरसाइज करना तो चाह रहे हैं, बट समथिंग, कुछ सिचुएशन, कुछ सर्कमस्टांसेस ऐसे हो चुके हैं आपके काम में जहां आप अपनी अथॉरिटी और अपने पावर को यूज़ उस लेवल पे नहीं कर पा रहे हैं जिस लेवल पे आप पहले कर पा रहे थे. So now you have to adjust a little bit, like you have to scrutinize yourself in order to adjust into whatever the role is being given to you. Okay, so here I see you adjusting a little. You're not liking this. I'm picking that very strongly. You're not liking this, whatever this is happening. But anyways, you will have to adjust with this thing, whatever जो भी हो रहा है आपके काम में. There are some changes, some shift is going to happen, and you are going to have to adjust with that change. For some people, I think they are going to change their jobs. For others, they may change their workplace. Okay, and if none of that is happening, then I see you having to adjust in your work situation somewhere where you don't like it, but you know it is necessary for you to do that right now, so you're doing that, or playing it smartly. Okay, you're an empress, you have experience, you have quite a lot of experience on how to handle things in this situation, so you are compressing yourself at the month of June. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Keeper of Wands. So people see that you are an authoritative figure, you are quite strong of a person, you know what you want, and you also know how to get those things. Very strong energy. So it's like the these 3 months are going to be very beautiful for you in terms of your work, because you are going to use your authority, your power, and you are going to benefit a lot from that, and you are learning to benefit from your to exercise your authority or power in such a manner where you are able to benefit from it, not to offend people. Okay, you're not offending people here, you're just benefiting from it. You're learning how to use your authority and power to gain more business, to gain more work for yourself. Okay, to gain more money. You are there are some parts of yourself that you are covering up in your work situation. You're adjusting a little bit, you're not showing up fully as you are, but you are doing that in order to get more work, do your work properly. You're basically, I see you not trying to make any enemies at this point. You're playing it smart. Okay, let's move on to pile number two. So pile number two is for those who have chosen this crystal. It is Mystic Topaz. I hope you can see this. If you can see, let me give you a close up. It's very beautiful. Mystic Topaz, pile number two. Okay, so pile number two, your first card is the Page of Swords. You are also having a new beginning in your personal life. You have recently cut off someone from your personal life, and now you're quite happy about this. You seem to be quite positive now. You know ki there is maybe somebody was troubling you with somebody was troubling you, I see mostly. uh, yeah, somebody was troubling you a lot. Maybe there were false promises, or um false love was given to you, like there was nothing was real in that situation, but you were hoping for it to get real. So now you're coming to that realization that it's never going to happen, and you are cutting that person off from your life. Okay, but you are also having a very positive fresh start in your personal life in the beginning of like in the month of the March, in the month of April, sorry. Yeah, mostly that's what I see. And if you are not somebody who's a relationship person or looking for anything, then even then you have cut off someone जो कि आपके लिए टॉक्सिक था और आप जानते हैं. Okay, but in the month of May you're going to be in this energy of King of Wands, because now you're fully into your element. This is pile number two. People, I see that this is your element. You like to uh, say things as they are, no sugarcoating, no buttering to anybody. You are a very strong person, and you like to keep things very straightforward, and you're doing that, and people see you as somebody who's very prosperous person, and आप अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में क्वाइट प्रॉस्परस हैं भी. लाइक यू हैव probably gained a lot in your life and now you're in a stable position. Yes, you pretty much you are stable right now. So you are uh, saying the truth left and right, and it's cut bleeding some people, but anyways you're doing that. You're in your own element. Okay, unapologetic. You are right in the month of May. So for the month of oh, by the way, for the King of Wands, you may also, there can be a little bit of tiff between you and your partner if you have one, because of this King of Wands attitude. So watch out for that. Possible that you may say something in a very generic manner, but you may say it so bluntly that your partner may get hurt. So there's a high chance of that in the month of May. And in the month of June, you are in this energy of Hanged Man. You are confused, not altogether confused, like you are in this energy where you are deciding what is right for you and what is not right for you. Like आपके लाइफ में जो लोग हैं या आपके रिलेशनशिप में आप जिस आपका जो पार्टनर है वो आपके लिए सही है या नहीं है, वो आप डिसाइड कर रहे हैं इन द मंथ ऑफ जून अगेन. Like you are being, you are very you are very calm right now. आप बहुत ही शांत हो चुके हैं इन द मंथ ऑफ जून, एंड आप चुपचाप इस सिचुएशन के या अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में हर इंसान के प्रोज एंड कॉन्स गिन रहे हैं कि कौन सा इंसान मेरे लिए कितना अच्छा है और कौन सा इंसान मेरे लिए कितना बुरा. यू आर being very practical, but you're not showing it on the surface. Like people may see you as somebody who's aloof in the month of June. Like you're there, but you're not there fully. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. Okay, so you are in this energy of deciding overall. Bottom of the deck is the Star card. It is showing that you have finally, after a very long time or very long time of suffering, you have finally learned uh, to value yourself. You are understanding your value. You are learning how to pamper yourself, love yourself throughout the difficult situations of life, and how to be good to you, good to yourself. You are learning over all that in these 3 months. There are some lessons included, but that's what you are learning. Okay. So, for your work situation, again, the Star card has decided to show up. So, people are adoring you, people are looking at you, and you're the star. Everybody is noticing you, everybody likes you. You're the star of your office, uh, whichever field you are in, that field, or if you have a business, you are the star person. Whatever the situation may be, people adore you at this point. They adore your practicality, they adore your charisma, they see you as a very somebody who's very charming, who is able to attract every person in the room. And also they see you as uh, somebody who knows how to utilize their uh, talent or gifts in terms of your workplace. Okay, so basically people are noticing you and you are just a star right now. People adore you, love you in your workplace. In the month of May, I see you falling in love because the lover has decided to show up. So there's a high chance that you may fall in love with somebody from your workplace in the month of May. That's going to be quite beautiful relationship I see here. It's going to be, at least I don't know how it's going to go for the long in the long run, but it's going to show up as something that you have always wished for and you have always wanted. Okay, that is how it is going to show up. Now it's up to you how to whether to trust this energy or not, but the universe is asking you to trust it. So just Go with the flow, see what happens. Don't be over giving, don't be over loving, but see where this goes, because the energy is very beautiful here. Okay. Okay, so in the month of June, you have come into this energy of Knight of Cups. Now you are oh, by the way, this Lovers card also showing up is also indicating that people are loving you left and right from your workplace. Everybody loves you. Okay, very good card. So by the month of June, the Knight of Cups has decided to show up. So you are in this very nurturing, very emotional, very caring person at your workplace, and people love this quality of yours. Like, it's like they have never seen you in this mode of yours. Like, they have never seen this side of yours, that you can be such a loving, caring person as well. So, but you are giving a lot of love to your workplace, and you're also being very passionate and very uh, dedicated towards your craft as well. Like, whatever it is that you're doing, if you're an artistic person, you are all into your craft, all into your work right now in the month of June, and you're very dedicated and people are loving this side of yours. But you're a very nurturing person, they also see that, they're also able to notice that. Okay, so the bottom of the deck is a strength card. So things may not be very easy for you, but the way you are handling them in these 3 months is teaching you about your inner strength, is teaching you how you are able to overcome. It is actually showing you how you have the power, how you have the energy, intellect to overcome any obstacle, any issues thrown your way in your work. Like, you are just flawless. You're learning how to be flawless at this point, and you're learning how to stand in your strength, how to be strong, and this is gaining you money. Okay, People of Pentacles is behind this, so you are being mindful about your money, but you're also gaining money. This is a very good card. I see all positive energy here overall. Okay, just that you may be removing some people from your life in the month of June. Apart from that, everything else seems to be quite positive and promising. So if you have chosen the crystal malachite, so this is your reading, pile number 3. Okay, so pile number 3, your first card is the Empress. You are in this energy of Empress. Anything you want, you get it. You go and get it because you are the Empress or the Emperor, if you're a male watching this. You are able to get anything you want at this point, and anything you like, mostly I say this in your personal life. So anybody you want to be with, or the people in your love, somebody in your who's in a relationship with you sees you as this person. Overall, everybody in your life sees you as this person, a very strong, stable person who has everything that they want, and they are continuing to get more. Okay, you're a very prosperous person, and people are seeing this quality of yours, and people are noticing this about you. You are harboring that energy of being an empress or emperor, if you're a guy watching this. In the month of April, you're very calm. I sense this energy of very much being very calm. Like, things may be happening behind the scenes in your life, which people don't know much about, but you are in this very calm, composed energy, an Empress energy, somebody who has everything that they want on the tips of their fingers. You are harboring this energy somehow. It's like you're manifesting things. You are manifesting a very stable, a very queen king like in life for yourself. So you are on that path. In the month of May, you are waiting for some situation to end, because you feel like कि अब इस चीज़ का अंत आ चुका है and this thing cannot go on anymore, so you are just waiting for it to end as soon as possible, because you're just, you know that there is nothing left in this situation. If this is about love, your love life, then you know that there is nothing left in the situation. And if this is about your family life, then you feel like a fallout in your family, and things are not well between your family, but you are just waiting कि ये जो phase है ये कट जाए, बस जल्दी से निकल जाए ये phase mid life से, because you, this is a very tough time on you. You are unable to bear this phase in your life. Okay. So in the month of, for some people I also see कि you have taken some loan, and you are just trying to repay that off as soon as possible. Like you're just, your whole mind is working into that area. Okay. um, so in the month of June, you're going to be again in the very stable energy, but this time you're going to be practical. Okay. You're going to learn how to be practical, how to be extremely decisive, and uh, how to choose people who are going to choose you. Okay. Not you are not going to run after somebody or convince somebody to be with you anymore. Maybe that's what you're doing in the month of May, when you realize that there's nothing left in the situation. So you are coming into a very practical, very uh, mature person energy, and you are choosing people who are choosing you. So there's a reciprocity, the lesson of reciprocity that you have learned through going through very hard situations, but you have finally learned it. Okay, so bottom of the deck is the High Priestess. You need to focus on your intuition, and that is what these 3 months are going to teach you. You are going to focus on your intuition, and you are going to work, you're going to be more in touch with your gut. You're not going to ignore your gut feeling, you're not going to ignore your intuition anymore. No matter what anybody says, you're going to go with your gut feeling. You're coming to the strength of, you're coming into the alignment with universe. Okay. You're coming into this energy of where you are um open to receiving what life has for you. You're not you're not being narrow minded anymore. So you will open up a lot of options for yourself once you do that. Okay. So moving on to your work, the first card, that is the Hermit. You're waiting for some opportunity to fall into your lap in the month of April. आप वेटिंग एनर्जी में ही हैं. लाइक शायद you have been working quite a lot in the past 6 months on something, and now you're just waiting for the opportunity related to that thing to come and fall into your lap, to come and fall in place for you, so that you can start working on what you have been wanting to work on. Yeah, you see, you have put in a lot of work to get something, and now you're just waiting for the results. You are quite experienced, I see. Just be field mein hai. You are an experienced person, but now you're waiting for the fruits of your labor to come in. Well, that is going to happen in the month of May. So keep doing whatever it is you're doing. It is going to work out for you. You are going to have financial stability also in the month of May. Okay. So you're going to be this in this energy of giving, and you cannot give unless you have. So you will have a lot, and you're going to gain a lot as well, in terms of money and in terms of work opportunities as well, both. And you're going to be giving those away to other people as well, the money and the opportunities as well. You're going to uh, Like it's like you're going to choose things that are for you, and you're going to give away the things that are not for you to the others, so that it can be beneficial to somebody. Okay, you're going to come into this very humanitarian person. If you heard my dog. In the month of June, major transformation is happening in your workspace. You are probably leaving some either you have completed a cycle and you're entering into a brand new one, or if not, then you are changing your job, period, nothing else. You're going to a brand new place. For a lot of people, I see you traveling to some other country or city as well. For a lot of people, 80% of the people are going to travel somewhere for work, new place. And most probably the job opportunity is also going to be something different than what you're used to. It's not going to be same, it's going to be something new. You're going to adapt to that, but it's going to be good for you. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. So you are uh, putting in a lot of efforts in your work. आप काफ़ी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, आप अपना क्या खून पसीना एक कर रहे हैं, and you're putting your heart and soul into your work and into enhancing your craft, your skills. You're working a lot on those things. I see you working a lot on those things in these 3 months, and that is what is going to uplift you from the level that you are in right now to the next level. Okay, it is going to be very very beneficial for you. I see mostly good things for you, except for something ending in your life in the month of May. That month is going to be a bit tough for you in your personal life. Other than that, everything is going to be very very good. You're also going to come into financial stability to some extent. I'm not saying completely, but to some extent you're going to be financially stable. Like you won't have to worry when you go out and spend anymore. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, और मैं आगे और videos लेके आऊँगी. अगर आप मेरे साथ रीडिंग बुक करना चाहते हैं तो आई एम पुटिंग माई मेल ID in the description box below. You can email me and we'll take it further from there on.